Hi guys, welcome to Easy Math.
Hi guys, in this video we are going to understand about the problems from exercise 1.1. So we are going to find the adjoint of these three problems. Let us understand how to find adjoint when it is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Similarly, for the 3 cross 3 matrix also we will understand how to find the adjoint. Okay, first, so we are going to find the adjoint for this 2 cross 2 matrix. Let us consider this given matrix as A. Whatever variable you want, you can consider. I am considering it as A. -3, 4, 6, 2. Okay, we are going to find adjoint. How to find adjoint when it comes to a 2 cross 2 matrix means, let us consider this as one diagonal and this as one diagonal. When it comes to this diagonal, we have to change the symbols. For example, this is a +4, we have to change it as -4. Here also it is +6, we have to change it as -6. In this diagonal we have to change the symbols. If it is minus means we have to change it to plus, if it is plus means we have to change it to minus. Similarly, when it comes to this diagonal, we have to swap the elements. That is, 2 has to come over here and -3 has to go over here. 2 -3. This is how we have to find the adjoint for the 2 cross 2 matrix. Let us understand how to find the adjoint for 3 cross 3 matrix. I have considered this given matrix as A. Whatever variable you want, you can consider. I have considered it as A. Now let us understand how to find adjoint of A for 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay. We have to write it in minus. For example, if I am going to consider the term 2. For this, what I have to do is, I have to omit the column which is touching 2, I have to omit the row which is touching 2. So what is the remaining matrix? I will get 4, 1, 7, 2. 4, 1, 7, 2. It has converted into 2 cross 2 matrix. And for the next term, we have to write it for this term. Similarly, if I am going to consider this term, I have to omit the row which is touching that term and I have to omit the column which is touching that term. The remaining terms will be 3, 1, 3, 2. 3, 1, 3, 2. Now, also one more thing we have to keep it in mind. For the alternative terms, we have to proceed with minus. How means? This term we are using plus. For this term, we have to use minus. So, the next alternative term, we have to maintain it as plus. Okay, now let us write the minor for this term. We have to omit the row which is having that 1 and we also have to omit the column. So, the remaining term will be 3, 4, 3, 7. Now, alternatively we have to maintain the minus. So, for this term we have to put the negative symbol. Now, similarly we have to omit this row and this column. My matrix would be 3, 1, 7, 2. Okay. For the next term, we will write the minor. For 4, we have to omit the row and column which is touching 4. So, the remaining matrix will be 2, 1, 3, 2. 2, 1, 3, 2. Okay. For the term 1, we have to write similarly. It would be 2, 3, 3, 7. 2, 3, 3, 7. And for the alternative term, we have to put the minus term. And for the next term, 3, we have to omit this row and this column. We will get it as 3, 1, 4, 1. Alternative term should have minus. So, minus. For the 7, we have to omit the row and column which is having 7. So, 2, 1, 3, 1. 2, 1, 3, 1. Next is, similarly for the 2, we have to omit this row and this column. It would be 2, 3, 3, 4. 2, 3, 3, 4. Okay. Finally, we have to transpose the matrix. The next step would be, we will simplify this term. How to simplify this term is, we have to first we have to multiply this diagonal. This diagonal 4 into 2, it will become 8. By default, while multiplying this side, we will have one negative symbol. 7 into 1 is 7, minus 7. Next, this minus, we will keep it outside. We will multiply the terms within this matrix. 3 2s are 6. And I told you by default, we will have one minus. So, we will get it as minus 3. Next, 7 3s are 21 minus 4 into 3, 12. Next, this minus we'll have it outside. We'll simplify the terms within. 3 2s are 6 minus 7 into 1 minus 7. Next, 2 2s are 4. 3 into 1 minus 3. By default, we'll have 1 minus. This minus I'll keep it outside. 7 2s are 14. 3 3s are 9. Next, 3 1s are 3 minus 4 into 1 is 4. This minus I'll keep it outside. 2 into 1 is 2 minus 3. 4 2s are 8 minus 3 3s are 9. And we are yet to do the transpose. Next step would be, we have to simplify this term. 8 minus 7 is 1. 6 minus 3 is plus 3. We have 1 minus 3, so we can make it as minus 3. 21 minus 12 is 9. Next, 6 minus 7 is minus 1. We have 1 minus over here, it will become plus 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. 14 minus 9 is 5. It will become minus 5. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1, and this minus will become it plus 1. Now 8 minus 9 is minus 1, and we are yet to complete only with the transpose. Next step is we have to take the transpose. How to take the transpose means, this row we have to write it column wise. For example, first row 1 minus 3 9, we have to write column wise. First row has become first column. This is called as transpose. Second row obviously will become a second column. 1 1 minus 5. Next, third row will become a third column. Minus 1 1 minus 1. This is called as adjoint A. This is how we have to find the adjoint of A when it comes to the 3 cross 3 matrix. For this problem, we are going to find the adjoint now. I consider the given matrix as A. Okay, this 1 by 3 I will keep it outside because it will make us easy to simplify. So let us have it outside. Now we will write the minus for each and every term. First, if I write the minor for 2, I have to omit the row which is touching 2, which is touching the column which is touching 2. Okay, my minor would be 1 2 minus 2 2. Alternatives will have to put minus, so minus. Now we have to write the minor for this term 2. We have to omit this row, this column. My matrix would be minus 2 2 1 2. And for the third term we have to write the minor. We have to omit this column and this row. It would be minus 2 1 1 minus 2. Alternative symbol, alternative terms minus. So now minus. We have to write it for this minus 2. We have to omit this row and this column. So my matrix would be 2 1 minus 2 2. And for the next term we have to write the minor. We have to omit this row and this column. 2 1 1 2. And for the next term, this row and this column to be omitted. 2 2 1 minus 2. Alternative minus. Next term for 1 2 1 1 2. Next term would be minus. So for this term we have to write it like 2 1 minus 2 2. And for the next term we have to omit this row and this column. 2 2 minus 2 1. Also we have to take the transpose. Now let us simplify. 1 by 3, 2 into 1 is 2. By default we will have 1 minus, and here also we have 1 minus, it will become plus 4. Next, minus I will keep it outside. 2 2s are minus 4. 2 into 1, this side we will have 1 default minus, so it is minus 2. Next, minus 2 into minus 2 will become plus 4 minus 1. Next, this term 4 plus 2 and comes to this term 4. This way it is minus 1. Minus I will keep it outside. Minus 4 minus 2. Next, this term 4 minus 1. Minus I will keep it outside. 4. It will become plus 2. And 2. It will become plus 4. And we also have to take the transpose. 1 by 3 into 2 plus 4 is 6. Minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. This minus and minus will become plus 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 plus 2 is 6, which is minus 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. Minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. This minus will become plus 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. Minus 4 plus 2 is 6. It is minus 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay. So now 1 by 3. All the terms within the matrix consist of multiples of 3. So we can take 3 outside. So if I take 3 from this, I will get 2, 2, 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 1, minus 2 and 2. We can cancel this 3 and 3. We have to take the transpose. Now taking the transpose, which means we have to convert the rows into the columns. So adjoint A equals to, first row will become a first column. So 2, 2, 1. Second row will become a second column. Minus 2, 1, 2. Third row will become a third column. 1, minus 2 and 2. This is the adjoint value for the given matrix.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.